Big news in Miami travel. Wynwood Walls will reopen today, Friday, January 22nd, with an all-new on-site ticketing system, meaning the International Museum of the Streets will no longer be free. Stay tuned as we cover this monumental announcement on Traferral TV. Established in 2009, Wynwood Walls has become one of the best venues in the world to see street art, typically known as graffiti. Each year, different international artists are selected to create new artwork for the museum. This vision has attracted visitors from around the world and helped spur the creation of murals throughout Wynwood, making Wynwood a top destination when visiting Miami. This unique street art museum, along with the GGA Gallery, has invigorated downtown Miami and has exploded in popularity. If you visited Wynwood, you visited the Walls. From its conception, Wynwood Walls has always been free of charge. However, after closing during COVID, Wynwood Walls would have to reconsider how many people they let into the museum. In order to reopen, Wynwood Walls implemented a registration system that helped curb the number of visitors by making each visitor register and get a timed ticket before entering. This change allowed Wynwood Walls to reopen and to keep the social distancing guidelines. Today, Wynwood Walls is reopening, but this time it's no longer free and you'll need to purchase tickets to the museum from their website. Currently, Wynwood Walls has partnered with Fair Harbor to offer 5 different tickets you can purchase. The main ticket for visitors to purchase is called the Official Tour, and the ticket prices are $20 per person. The tours run from 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. on the hour. This monumental change will definitely affect the number of visitors to the museum and affect the revenue generated from Wynwood Walls shop. The Wynwood Walls shop offered many gifts, books, and prints of the artwork found at the walls. Finally, I applaud this move from a marketing standpoint. It'll help generate more money from the museum. It'll help ensure the safety of visitors while visiting the walls and keeping social distancing guidelines, and it'll make it easier to take photos while visiting. Although at $20 per person, I might not be bringing my kids back as often as I have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Traferral TV.